Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my 75th day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about the conscious mind because just like mind is the just like two part. Firstly the conscious mind and secondly the subconscious mind. So today I am talking about the conscious mind. So conscious mind it always the part of your mind and it's also aware your thoughts, feelings, actions and your surrounding the moments. So just like the conscious mind means it is the thinking mind and it's also just like helps you throughout thinking and acting and you what you speaking and what you many things are there also just like helps you the how can you thought it, how can you speak it, how can you react it. So that type of the conscious mind. So also it's also the daily life things also, so that's why the conscious mind it's also the important things. So just like what is the conscious mind? So conscious mind, when you think about that what I wear and what I think and what I eat, so it's also the reply the question, so it's also the part of your subconscious mind. So conscious mind is also the working that helps you also focus on the surrounding and what happening right now. So it's also the good things when you know about that the conscious mind. So conscious mind also it's also just like a suddenly and just like a to your daily routine, what you think it, what you speak it, what you walk. It's also just like control your voluntary things. And how can you speak it, how can you walk it, how can you think it? Many things are there for the just like a subconscious mind. So conscious mind is the part of your mind. So you also control your conscious mind. Think it, the think is the positive thing because your conscious mind, what's going on in your mind, it's also depends on your conscious mind. So just like a function of the conscious mind. So many function of the conscious mind. So firstly the awareness. It keeps you aware for your surrounding and your thoughts, control your thoughts, and it's also that's like a reasoning power, and it also gives you the power of logical listening and you choice it and the making the decisions. And it's also just like giving the willpower, and you it's also makes you and gives you willpower for that choice and the take the decisions and the focus. So it's also good things for the conscious mind, and it's also the short time memory. And short term memory means just like you think about that and it's also hold the information the short period, just like the when you remembering the phone number, so it's a second word. So that's why it's a just like a conscious mind work. So just like today I'm talking about the relation of the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. So conscious mind gives you command, but your subconscious mind hold it and also act it. What is it? Just like you, it's also store, and it's also the just like a permanent memory and it store what you think and what you believe and what you action, what is your emotions. So that's why subconscious mind is also the important things. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.